Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you how to remove your music sticker from your Facebook story, which means if you want to upload a story on Facebook with the music but you don't want that music sticker to be seen by your other friends, I'm going to show you how you guys can do that. Before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First, you want to click on create story at the top left, because first we have to create a story. And then over here, before you click on music at the top, first make sure you select the video or the photo which you want to be on the story. First select the video or photo, not the music, alright? So I will select a photo over here from here. So this is going to be my photo. Now if I click on the music at the bottom, like where it says Sunflower, Stone Island, so these are all the suggested music. So let's say I click on this music. It's going to show me this sticker over here. Now there's two things I can do. I can either click on the sticker and move it right outside this box over here like this. I can drag it outside my box over here like this. And like this, the music is added over here, but as you guys can see, the sticker is not visible. That is one way to do it. And the other way to do it is this. What you want to do is click on music at the top left corner and choose a music from over here. So I'm just going to choose a random music, the second one where it says Jau Hidi Kanchi. And as you guys can see, if I click on it, the music has been added over here. So yeah, and you can see over here the music is added, but I cannot see the sticker. So this is what happens when you first select the video or photo, then add a music on top of it. Then you're not going to see the logo. And even if you're seeing the logo, just click on it and put it outside the seeing box area by your friend, alright? Which means just drag it outside your screen and it should work. So you can just click on share at the bottom now. And as you guys can see now, it's going to be uploaded on my story. So that's how you guys can remove music sticker from your Facebook story. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.